Today I'm going to show you how to remove the adhesives off of these Amazon shower shelves. We sell so many of these. They're like a hot commodity in our Amazon store, so I know a lot of you guys have them, but sometimes you have to move and you have to remove them. So it's good to know how to take them off as well. Start by popping the actual shelves off so you can focus on just the sticky adhesive. You're going to need a plastic putty knife scraper and a blow dryer. At first we tried just the scraper, but we decided really quickly that we needed some heat to just like loosen it up and get it to move around because it was rock hard. Brace yourselves because this is going to take a lot of patience. So you might go a little bit crazy, but you need to stick with it. You're going to repeat, and just have the patience of a saint. So really what you need to do is heat up the spot you're working on and then follow with the scraper, pulling it up with your hands bit by bit. And you need to do this over and over and over again. Now, depending on how good you are at this incredibly tedious job and how well you got that plastic strip off, you might be left with a little bit of leftover sticky residue. And that means you just have to do it again and again. Same method, heat, scrape, repeat, heat, scrape, repeat. Now, if you have any leftover residue, just grab some Goo Gone and pour it on some paper towel, place it on the wall, and let it sit there for at least 10 minutes. Remove the paper towel, and one more time, grab that little scraper and get any last little bits. Now rinse it really well and then clean it up with your regular shower cleaner, and now you can go lay down because that was a very boring job, but you did it. Congratulations.